We're getting ready for my tuned M1 camper in the Tundra, but as you can see here, we got a couple holes. This had a bed liner in it, and when we took that off, it exposed a ton of rust. So we're gonna get that fixed today. Look what I found underneath. I found some rust completely through thanks to this bed liner here. And that is mainly because these holes here, this side and that side, it lets all the water get past it. And there was a ton of junk, rocks, just random debris underneath the bed liner. And it was trapped there, so water just stayed wet constantly. So it rusted through right there, starting to right there, and then a little bit there as well. So currently we got the whole bed of the truck painted. And good thing this truck is old, tons of miles on it, so I just rattle canned it pretty much. Didn't take it to the paint shop. We didn't take it to the auto body shop to get all these things fixed either. We fixed everything here. Keith welded it up. I put some of this stuff on there, window weld. This is the stuff they use on the windshield. So we got those. We sealed up a lot of the gaps that are around the truck as well. I want this bed to be airtight, and I don't want anything getting in here, dust, water especially. This bed is going to get a bed rug from Real Truck as well though. That should be here next week. We also ordered the factory bed rails that go on the side of it. That's how the camper is going to get mounted. We could have gone without it. They have a clamp style as well, which work with these, but I really wanted the camper to be mounted using the rails. So I got that on the way. We got a couple more things to do before this is fully ready and fully airtight, waterproof, watertight as well. So, but we made a ton of progress and it's almost ready. So I'm pretty excited. We got the camper date install on the 28th. So expect that video to be uploaded sometime after the 28th of February. So I'm pretty excited. It's almost ready. So make sure you guys are following along for the entire progress of this. So if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully you are excited as I am. I'm gonna show the whole build on the Tune M1 camper. So it's gonna be awesome. We'll see you guys next time.